So I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to go ahead and make your desktop a light color so when you do screen sketch, you can sketch right on top of it. So the first thing you need to do is right click on your desktop and click personalize. Right here I want it to be a solid color. I picked a color. If you'd like, you can go to custom and pick the which one you'd like, which is what I did. And that's all you have to do. Then you can X out. So in order to annotate right on top of that, you'll click down right here on the Windows Ink Workspace. It'll say Screen Sketch, and then you can start sketching just right on top of your screen, which means you don't need a Word doc, a PDF, or anything. You could just straight up start annotating to teach math.